Hello students, my name is Raghubar. Today I teach you what is the definition of ratio. Learn it. Ratio. The Hindi meaning of this particular Anupat. What is the actual definition of ratio and what is the think about of this particular right now? You know definitely 50% is equal to 1 by 2. You know this particular right now. 50% is equal to 1 by 2. You know 1 by 2 is like a fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. If this is fraction, you know write as 1:2. You know write as 1:2. These are expressions are totally same. The ratio is definitely the part of just particular right now. 1 by 2, 1:2 and 50% is definitely just part, and it is called the ratio of this particular right now. 1 by 2 is just a ratio. 1:2 is just like a form. 50% is definitely dependent of this particular right form. Are you getting this particular point right now? Okay, I have some questions to understand this particular right now. Question number 1. If A ratio B equal to 1:3 and B ratio C and V ratio C equal to 5:3. What do you think about this? Then find the value of A ratio, V ratio C. Find the value of A ratio, B ratio C. Let's get it. A ratio, B ratio C, the B ratio is definitely same. The B ratio is definitely same. A ratio B, you write B ratio C because this is same. A ratio V 1:3, A ratio V 1:3 and B ratio C 5:3 and V ratio C 5:3. Here V and V is definitely same. If you 5 and 3 equal to right now, multiply 5 by this part and multiply by 3 by this part. 5 and 5 15, 5 and 3 15, 5 multiply of 1 1 5 5 and 3 9. This is the ratio of A ratio, B ratio, C. A ratio, B ratio, C. Are you understand this particular right now? Question number 2. A ratio B equal to 2:3. B ratio C equal to 4:5 and C ratio D equal to 2:1. Find the value of A ratio B, ratio C, ratio D. What are you thinking of this particular? A ratio V equal to 2 ratio 3, B ratio C 4 ratio 5, C ratio D 2 ratio 1, A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D ratio. What is the value of this? देख लीजिए. The solution of this, A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D. A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D. You have A ratio V 2 ratio 3, and you know B ratio C 4 ratio 5, B ratio C 4 ratio 5, 4 ratio 5, and C ratio D 2 ratio 1, C ratio D 2 ratio 1, and you know find A ratio and D ratio. Directly 2 multiply by 4 multiply by 2, 8 and 16, 2 4 2 16, you know, and D multiply by this 3 5 1, 5 3 15 15 15, 5 3 1 divided 5 3 1 multiply 15. This is A and this is V. This is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. If you V is, this is D, this is D. If V is this and this and this is V. 3 4 2, 12 and 2 24, and this is C. 3 and 5 multiply by 2, 3 5 15 15 2 multiply 13. This is A ratio V ratio C ratio D. Are you know? If you find directly A ratio D, you know this is totally depend on A ratio D multiply by this and multiply by this. This is definitely A ratio D. 2 4 2 16, 3 5 1 15. A ratio D is definitely 16 ratio 15. You know directly for this particular right now. Question number 3. Question number 3. A ratio B, A ratio B equal to 2 ratio 5. B ratio C equal to 4 ratio 3. 4 ratio 3, and C ratio D and C ratio D equal to 2 ratio 5. Find A ratio. Find A ratio D. Find A ratio D. You know directly you find A ratio D, multiply by this. Multiply by this, you find directly A ratio D. 4 to 8 and 8 to 16, 5 3 15 and 15 5 75. You multiply this particular right now, you find out the A ratio D directly. Are you getting this point? Question number 4. Question number 4. A ratio B, A ratio B बराबर 3 ratio 1. A ratio C equal to 2 ratio 3. Find ABC. Find A ratio, B ratio, C. Find A ratio, B ratio, C. You know definitely A ratio V is 3:1. A ratio C is 2:3. A and A, this is same. This is same. Then A ratio B, you know B ratio A ratio 3. B ratio A ratio B 3:1. B ratio A 1:3. B ratio A 1:3. And A ratio C and A ratio C 2:3. And A ratio C is 2:3. And A ratio C 2:3. This is same. A and A, this is definitely same. This right now. 3 and 2 are different. Multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. This is same. 3 to 6. Multiply by 2, 2. Multiply by 3, 9. This is A ratio, B ratio, C. This is A, this is B, and this is C. A ratio, B ratio, C. This is B, 2. This is C, 9. Or this is A, 6. Are you understand? Are you understand this? Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Important first. A ratio B equal to no. A plus B ratio B plus C ratio C plus A is given 3:7:8. Then find A ratio B ratio C. Then find A ratio B ratio C. कहिए बस 5 मिनट में, 5 मिनट और। कहाँ जा रहे हो बताओ? तो मैं 5 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ। Find A ratio B ratio C. Solution of this. You know A plus B equal to 3. A plus B equal to 3. B plus C equal to 7. B plus C equal to 7. And you know C plus A equal to 8. C plus A equal to 8. You know this expression A is double and B is double and C is double. You know definitely what is single total. A plus B plus C 3, 7 and 8, 9, 18. 18 and this is double and definitely you know single is divided by 2, 9. A plus B plus C equal to 9. You know B plus C is 3. You know B plus C is 3 and total is 9 and this is 6. Again A plus B equal to 3. A plus B equal to 3 and total is all 9. C is 6. 6 and 3, 9. B plus C is 7, B plus C is 7, B plus C is 7 or C is already 6, B is 1. C is already 6, then V is 1 because B plus C is 7, C is 6, then V is 1. If V is 1, A plus V 3, A plus V 3, B is 1, A is 2 because A plus V 2 plus 1 is 3. A is 2, V is 1 and C is 6. Then the ratio A ratio B ratio C, A ratio B ratio C, 2 ratio 1 ratio 6, 2 ratio 1 ratio 6. I hope you understand this particular well right now. This is conditional at all. A plus B equal to 3, B plus C equal to 7 and C plus B equal to 8. This is totally double, and single sum of this particular 18 by 2 is 9. A plus B plus C equal to 9. If B plus C, A plus B 3, A plus B 3, C is 6 because 6 and 3 is 9. B plus C is 3, A plus B, B plus C is 7, B plus C is 7, C is already 6, B is 1. A plus B 3, B is 1, A plus B 3, B is 1, A is already 2. Are you get it this particular point right now? Okay, because this is particular basic right now. Thanks for watching.